My name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you the second part of my needle laces, where I'm showing you this so you can get some ideas, because I saw a lot of people, they've done it and I was really impressed. They did very good job. I feel like while I'm teaching you guys, you're very interested and you're being inspired and you're doing it. There I started the regular one, the first time that I was teaching you. This is the design. And then I did the soldiers. So I'm going very slower up so you can see what designs there is. Which this one, it has a beehive, which you learn. And here is again separation, the soldiers I can call. I will call those sometimes little bees or little flies, whatever it is. Most of my needle laces are become from the nature, the animal, the insects, and whatever. Here is again the other one. It's just a regular seeds, and then goes between them four. You go one first, and then you do two, and then you go up. And that's how you can continue. As many as you want, you can put. And then is the soldiers. Here's the rabbit ears. They're holding it each other. Both together holding. That's what I call them. And this is again goes the soldiers. Always before the soldiers, you always make regular seat on top so you can put them on top of it. Here's the regular seat with the zigzag, and it has a 2-layer. And here's the design. I forgot what I'm calling again. And then this one you see here, just like the beginning. And then I put them here together, connected to the design, to the circle. And then on top of that, I went and I made a design. It's continuing. I don't cut them. You just do regular little seeds on top, and then you continue to do this, regular seeds, and you can continue. And that's how it will show the design. But you can do any way that you like. This is the other design. Here we have another one. This one, it started with little circle beginning. The first 2-3 layer is the same, like everyone. Then it comes the mountain. And then it has jumping bridge, like jumping from one mountain to another. And there is the 3 rabbit's ears, let's say, they are. And over here I did different kind of zigzag. Instead to make it zigzag, I go up and then goes very little down, and then up little down, and then up little down. It's a little different design it is. And here's little flowers again. It's in the field. And then goes on top, and then on top you go around, and I think I showed you this. Again, it's a little soldier standing on top of that's for separation. And then the mountain. And this one, it goes left and right, and left and right, the steps, the designs. It's not a zigzag, but it's different. Then goes again the soldiers, and then goes the mountain. Then again it goes the little petals. This one, it looks like I did it rabbit ears, this design. And here is this one, I did one small and then jumping, one small seeds jumping, just to look different designs. Here it is. If sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't like it, I do between them, I change it so it will look different, prettier. Maybe I wasn't too happy with this design and then I changed it. But I put it on top again just to make it, and it looks like I made it a little shorter altogether. And then I made it again soldiers, the mountain. Here is the 3-layer goes towards like a zigzag, like steps going up. Here we go. The third one, I left it in 3 because I wanted to do the same amount of measurement. That's what it was. And then you've seen this design. This is not, doesn't call beehive. This was, I forgot the name again. And here's the mountain. And if you put them like you see here, for example, the measurement of the designs, they are even, so it kind of makes it much prettier. And between, when you do separation, try to make it the same design, so it will make it prettier, it shows. But again, anything you do, it looks beautiful. So this one over here I want to show, this is my mother-in-law's mother-in-law did it. It's very, very old, and I have another one too, but it's all ripped, which you're gonna see that I was teaching you. I'm gonna teach you new design from there. So here how she did a little seeds. First she started, and then little couple seeds, adding one little petals, and then she did the mountain, and then goes regular seed, and then this one, it's a little bit different, that I will show you how she's doing it. Then it goes, this one, it shows like it's a, not diamond, but looks like it's a diamond, but I'm teaching you this step, but mine is more 3 steps it is. This one, it has 2 steps, climbing the ladder, the soldiers going up. And then here she did the soldiers. Then she did with the big seeds a zigzag. And then here it is the cones, the mountains, in a valley mountains, then the seeds, and here is the little, the way you start beginning. She did regular seeds, and then she put this design. And this one, I think I showed you. This is my orange ones that I did it, regular ones. You see here, it's just regular petal, goes another petal, regular seeds, and all the diamonds next to each other. Here goes the seeds, the soldiers, bigger seeds, soldiers, and the mountain. Here is another one. Again, the same design with the soldiers, but the soldiers are separated from each other. They are not connected to each other. And then here's the flower petals going up. It's like a walking soldiers going up. Then separation. And then here's 3 bunch of flowers together. It's going up and up. I will show you this. I think somebody did it, if I'm not mistaken. They showed me. They did good job. Those are the beehive, but the boxes are closed. It's not open. Then again, separation. Those are little flowers in the field. Here's the zigzag, comes back. And again, soldiers. And here is the, I can't remember the name. Anyway, you know what it is. Let me bring it closer. The steps, and here is with mountain, with the big jumping, let's say it's mountains with valley. And then the top, there's a little petal standing up. So this is one of my really old ones that I used to be able to see very, very well. That's why it went so small. I did it. This is one of my favorite design too, the needle lace too. This one, when I started, I did again little mountains, and I saw one of the ladies, she did this, the steps. She did very beautiful job. And then the soldiers and the mountains. All right, here's another one. I hope I'm going slow so you can see the designs. All right, this one again, we start from the beginning. Just regular petal I did. Instead to make a soldiers, I didn't put the soldiers, but I made it long flower petals. And this design, it shows like I skipped it between, I did 1 petal, and then I skipped it regular I did. If you see here, I did one book. I forgot the name again. It's the same one that I'm forgetting. I don't know. It will come to me. And then on top, I did one. What it is just like this design. Let me show you where. Just like this. What it is here. I just went up, but I did it with this design. Here I did what it was. I was showing. Here. It goes straight up this way, going up this way. I jumped, I missed one, I did second one. I missed one, I jumped second one. But it's kind of confusing. Here are little mountains, like a, mountain in hills. This is like mountain on top of each other. Again, instead to do soldiers, I did just the petals, the flowers. Over here with the petal, but jumping from one. You see here, I did three, and then I did the petal. I did little tree, like a beehive, and then I put the petal jumping up between them. So it's like a different design it is. And this is another different design, zigzag. Over here that you see, one of them it's a beehive line, and one of them just regular seeds, big one. That one line without little baby seeds, second line with the little baby seeds. The third one, nothing. The fourth one, there is. So this is how, but it looks like the last two, no, not the last two ones. Later on at the end, I did it with two petals together. Instant to the soldiers. And again over here, goes this way 4, and then did zigzag this way. Went up and went zigzag this way, and then again soldiers, and then the rabbit's ears. So, and this one, that's another one. So I think this is all I had, I showed you. So, and I hope it will give you enough idea to create your own. If you see any kind of lace, just imagine and create yourself. And hopefully, of course, I can show you much more. So, like I said, I'm gonna still continue teaching you new designs. All right. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you'll try it. And I love the people who sending to me their designs, that I see it. It's beautiful. Keep working, keep doing, and I'm gonna keep making and showing. You can check my other videos too, that I have different kind of sewing, painting, different things. So I hope you'll enjoy my channel, and I appreciate for you to watch. I thank you again. If you are new, subscribe my channel if you like it, and I thank you very much again. Bye bye.